3, 2, 1, go!
It's feeling so good right now.
Super beautiful! I've seen lots of different corals, but purple, first time, you know.
Don't never ever wanna calm down. No, no, no.
国外的感觉
Is it like take a picture?
Good morning, guys. 起床了没？
有一点。
Yeah, look at my face right now, super swollen because we just woke up.
No, because you're eating lots of oyster.
Only you. Yeah, that's part of a reason, right? Oyster tea.
You didn't even notice about your face until I told you. You like wake up every morning, I'm gorgeous. And then I say, oh, yesterday. My face is swollen because I ate too many oysters and you're like, oh, my face is swollen. You're becoming like me.
So we are in Penghu and now we're going to...
南方四岛. So we're gonna visit all these 4 islands at the South Ocean of Penghu.
A few moments later.
走，老板娘。
Hey, Alright, here we're gonna spend the whole day hoping to all different islands in Penghu.
Yeah, I'm excited to the maximum.
Okay, this is crazy. This is our guide. Mojo. Konstantin. He speaks Russian. Okay. Now it's 考试 time.
考试，这是什么
Big. And Russian to
Big.
Big. Учись.
As long as we get on the boat, Patrick starts to puke. So one time we were going to Green Island, and in the morning we got the same breakfast, chawamushi. The waves were super big that day, so he started to puke because we ate the same thing. So since then, I don't eat chawamushi at all. And it's been already like 6 months, I still cannot eat it. 你还好吗？加油! Okay, so why did you bring us here? What is this place actually?
Here is called 东屿坪，是澎湖的3级离岛。3级离岛的话，你会看到这座岛上啊，居民不会超过15个人。
Guys, 你们看后面这个海域，这个地方他们说叫做爱琴海。前面那个啊是西屿坪，然后我们现在在东屿坪这边。在以前啊，他们没有开船的时候，男生啊要游过去，然后这总共是700公尺，你要游到对岸才可以去找你的女朋友。所以其实在中间游啊非常吃力，一般人有可能是游不到，只有当地人才游得到，而且当时还没有蛙鞋。哎 ，Lena， 你在干嘛？
You should not talk. You should.
What do you not talk? 你看这个，来把手。
Hey, it's really easy to get the sunburn. Especially summer is coming, so the sun is even stronger. Don't you want to put the sunscreen on?
这是什么？
Actually, it's a really good sunscreen. You can put it on your body, and it's fun trader, reef safe. So you know we can go in the water without damaging the earth, without bringing the bad impact to the ocean, and plus. You can exercise, doesn't matter if you sweat or not, you get in the water, it will still stay on your skin. ISDIN. Oh, by the way, there's also the one for your face. Nyama.
I think I do need some for my face, because look at my nose. I'm like a clown right now.
Oh, it's 50.
Okay.
5 stars, daily protection.
我试试看，给我一点。
I think nothing's gonna help your face.
No, I mean I need to protect my face， 好不好？我是靠脸吃饭的 ，you know。All 的观众他们都要看我的脸，对不对？
I've used that before. You can see it's third day on Penghu and my face is still white. Usually I become very red. Okay, if you want to know more about it, about the ISDIN sunscreen, check the link in the description down below. My God!
3, 2, 1, go!
And I wish that you could change your mind, but you know that's not you. I mean, I don't even think about another girl, just the music now that you're gone. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I've been on the road playing lots of shows for the fans doing me. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Thank you, you. Thank you, you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Thank you, you. Sometimes I still think about you were mine, and I was yours.
How's the experience under the water, girl?
Super beautiful! That was the first time I was swimming in an open ocean without the safety jacket, really. I feel so cool.
Hey, you know what's cool? Your bikini also match with the coral reef.
That's on purpose.
You think so? Accident? No. I think it was incredibly beautiful. I've seen lots of different corals, but purple, first time, you know. And plus, they're all alive. Because most of the time you snorkel or dive in the ocean, the corals are dead, but here you can see the alive ones.
They don't feed the fish here, so you probably don't see as much fish as other islands, but it's more like environmental friendly.
And plus, here, even though you don't get in the water, you just take SCP, you can see lots of coral reefs because the water is so clear, it's so clean, so you don't even need to dive in to see it.
Here's the place we're gonna have our lunch. And you know what's so funny? Here they say it's the only Xinguang Sayu department store on the island.
Really?
Yeah, because this is the only grocery shop on this island. So whatever you need to come over here. Hey, Lena, it's your favorite style. Bamboo.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Yes.
Wow. 新鲜的海鲜.
It's yours. Lunchtime.
I think your bowl is like the best representation, right?
Yeah,
It's like
Mojo
full of
give me a
stuff.
lot.
I just took a very dope picture. You
Oh, 我看，真的是完美呢。
Vloggers.
哦
好看吧？
漂亮漂亮。
还有海
好
边。
美哦。
So goats here are like dogs. So many of them.
Seems like nobody's living here. It's an abandoned village, but there's so many goats, and they're communicating with each other. I just saw so many of them. I was trying to enter the building, and there were just like a bunch of them running out. I was kind of scared. I thought they were dogs, but no.
See that? See that? All of them running there. Unbelievable. Seems like here it was a living room. Wow. I don't really know what those are because I never been to like a traditional house, so. Ooh. Wow. Maybe that could be a storage. This is really, really interesting. What are those? Anybody knows what is this? What's that used for? Like a storage fridge?
哦，我们前面这边有2间房子哈，它是我们当地最古老的房子，它的建材又是用泥土跟孤老石这样子堆叠起来的。哦，那外面我们看到有一点水泥的感觉，那个是后代的那个子孙再去帮他做一个补强的动作。如果没有补强这个早就泥土啊，下雨啊刷一刷，它早就整个都塌掉了。
Wow, guys, we just found a Wangmei picture spot. There's a grassland, and this grassland is located in the middle of these 2 mountains. On the background, you have the beautiful ocean. 好美，好美. And right now, this is what I do mostly. Whenever girls are taking pictures, I'm just by myself waiting for them. Usually, they're afraid of sound, but right now, if you want to take a picture, no umbrella is totally okay. 啊，你们不是很怕晒太阳吗？
会啊，
为什么没有拿雨伞拍照？
因为我刚刚用那个
哪一个
sunscreen，
哦，因为有 sunscreen 比较不会热吗？是吗？
不会晒。
你们都不怕啊？好热啊！
好热。好。
Another island. No, we didn't come here for the abandoned ship. Here is Landong. Okay, 你看，超漂亮的。
好，之前日治时代这边有被统治过哈，岛上是做毒蛇实验的，那现在是一个无人岛，那岛上还是有蛮多毒蛇，也有很多山羊。
We got to 湖景骑摩托车塔。
Wow, this trip, mind blowing. Because I used to work in Hamilton Island, which is located at the Great Barrier Reef. in the Great Barrier Reef, all the islands are mostly private owned, so you cannot go there by yourself. But here in Penghu, you have the same feeling because one island to another is a 1 hour boat ride, so you feel like traveling to different, secret places. And here is the 北回归线 23.5. I remember we went there in Jiayi.
And in Hualien,
And yeah, in Hualien 也有. And here they have a signature sign, which is the pen.
So you hold the sun like this? Is it?
I guess so. Oh, what about you go there? You go there. Go, go, go. Put your head in the middle. What about
The
that?
sun is over there now.
We can find a good angle for that. What about let's try?
And you were mine, and I was yours. And we were fine behind closed doors. No space or time.
Whoa!
Whoa!
That's huge.
Oh my god. You know what I just heard? During the summer, 夏至的时候啊, the sun will appear right in the middle of this pond.
This is so beautiful. It's like the hands are holding the island and the ocean. So this is the map of Penghu.
没错。
最大的岛是在哪里？快去考试。
这里
它叫什么？
马公路。
Put it there. 那我们在哪里？
我们现在呢，坐船，到这里。湖景。
不是那边。
是的。
在这边没办法过去。This is a military base. 我们在这边呢。
好。
Okay, where else have you been today?
We also been to 东屿坪 which is
pretty far away.
这里。
Oh. And 七美 is 在这边。
在这边。
七美 has the shape, heart, stones. 对不对？
没错。
啊 ，Patrick 不知道 ，Patrick 没去过澎湖。第一次。
But 第一次 but I definitely want to come back. Guys, if you plan to come to Penghu, I think 3 days is not enough.
I think 5 days are not enough. She came here 5 times already.
Yeah, 5 times is not enough. I think maybe you have to stay a month to be able to travel all the places.
This is crazy. So this is the Goshao that has only 5 students. They're so big, like literally one student can have a whole building.
And just now we saw like one girl, she's taking a PE class, only she was running. And here in Hujin, they actually call it a cat village because look, they have different kind of cat decorations.
Let me show you one. There is a really big one. Let me show you.
哪里？
这个。
哇，
不多了，但是已经到了。
好大的猫咪。
Okay, I will teach you how to pose for this kind of pictures.
Wow.
This was my phone.
Wow. Oh, what about the sexy one?
It's Goshao, Patrick.
Come on, put the clothes back.
Cover yourself.
Cut it.
So we just got ice cream, really delicious melon. There near the port. Oh look, we just got back to our boat and we saw this.
Hello, Mama.
What a great day! We were snorkeling, visiting different islands, and now we can have tea and some snacks. 冰淇淋好吃吗？好吃吗？
超好吃的耶，哈密瓜口味，非常的好吃，我真的很少吃冰淇淋，但是这个冰淇淋我快吃完了，你看，代表真的很好吃，
而且很便宜，20块
，20块才20块，不吃就后悔哦。
Oh, that is so nice. We also got 这one.
哇，谢谢福哥，
它这里的花枝丸啊，
谢谢。
超赞的。
我跟你讲，超好吃的。这一般花枝丸里面都没有花枝，这个里面的花枝你看超大块的。
Oh, everyone is taking pictures.
那个一块，
是不是超级那个国外的感觉
It's like taking pictures.
超有 feel。
我们这边有安妮老师在教大家如何拍完美照。
好，大家知道了吗
OK， 谢谢老师。
不会，没事，小事情啊。下一个 tour 就是可以 join 我教你们在哪里拍最好看的照片，好不好？好，
谢谢老师。
我们现在准备要回去了。哇，今天的时间真的过超快，现在已经5点多了。我们这一次真的要非常感谢那个东屿坪的阿福家，然后他们这边行程比较特别，他们会带你去比较做深度的旅游，不是只带你去浮潜啊，吃东西就回去了。早上8点半开始来，然后玩到现在差不多5点了。阿福哥人超级好，他刚才还买花枝丸请我们吃，
真的很好吃哦。
对，今天好不好玩？
感觉很好玩呢。Actually, we've been to so many interesting places that I didn't even know exist in Penghu. I would really want to come here again. All those islands, and stay here for a week to discover all this area. This tour was something different. It feels like you're actually going abroad, like, I don't know, somewhere in Philippines to Palawan. You're actually chilling the whole day on the boat, snorkel, eat, visit beautiful places. So I think it's really special. If you want to know more about this tour, you can also join. Just need to follow the link which we put in the description down below. Check it out, it's really, really memorable. So for now, thank you so much for watching. Hit a like to this video, subscribe to our channel, Travel North Taiwan, 旅游真台湾, and
Eat my ball. Don't eat it by yourself. I'm the biggest fan. I comment on every video, okay?
Hey, that's very true. You commenting every single
I comment every single video and I'm watching every single video and every single commercial I'm watching till the end. And she's saying I'm not watching.
okay, I will give you.
Thank you Travel North Taiwan for taking me for this amazing vacation. And I hope all of you guys who watching this video will come here too because it's truly amazing experience. Love you.
See you somewhere in Taiwan. Bye bye.
Bye.